Welcome back, everybody. Now I am in kindergarten. We're going to do an experiment about how ants walk.
Okay, first we're going to be making a model
Of an ant.
Okay, Ellie, so let's make a prediction. How many legs do you think your model ant will be able to hold in the air and still stand up?
4.
4. Okay, that's your prediction. How many legs do ants have?
Tell me.
6.
6.
That's what makes it an insect. Okay. All right, so let's show everybody how we're going to make our ant.
Yeah.
All right.
First, we're going to take a pipe cleaner and cut it in half. Can I cut it in half?
Sure. I've already folded it in half.
Do I cut it right there?
Nope, cut right there. Right up there, yeah. It's gonna be kind of, oh, okay. So you only need 1/2. Now, can you fold that in half? All right, and then you're kind of gonna twist it a little bit. Good, and we leave 2 pieces out for the head of the ant. Okay, then we've got to make the leg pairs. So we folded this pipe cleaner into thirds. Can you say?
Thirds.
Thirds? Okay, so now you got to cut each one of those. We're going to use each of those.
We cut them.
Nope, look right there where the little, nope, just like we did the other one. That goes, yep. Snap,
It's
and
really
then,
hard to cut these unless you do snap.
okay, snap.
And we're going to fold them in half. Our cutouts.
Okay, now there are 3 sets of legs.
Now there's 3 sets of legs.
Sweet.
This is clay.
This is going
A
to be,
little bit dirty, so you might not want to touch it.
okay, so we're gonna hold the body of the ant, so they can see.
We're going to wrap a leg around one whole time.
Do that for the other 2 ones. Okay,
I want
Do
the
that.
leg to kind of be spread out.
okay, go ahead and get those other 2 parts.
How many legs do you think the ants have? Tell me in the comments.
The body and the legs. Now we need to add the head, thorax, and abdomen. What are we gonna use for that, do you think, Ellie? The clay?
For the thorax.
Okay.
Well, for the bottom.
Okay, now we have 3 sections of clay,
Which one do you think?
and we're gonna cut them in half.
cut them.
Not with scissors, you're gonna use your butter knife. Okay. Stand up on its own.
Can I
So
get
make
his leg
sure
out like
all of the
can I
legs
make
are-
his legs stick out like it's jumping?
No, because right now we're trying to get it to balance.
Oh yeah, we're good to do that.
Yeah.
Do I
Okay, give
roll
them
them?
instructions. Say we roll each little bit.
We roll each little bit into a ball. They roll it away.
They almost look like little jelly beans.
You know the easiest way for me?
What?
I roll it into a snake and then I crumple. Then I'll show you what I do.
And then crumple it up.
It makes kind of like a little ball.
We're going to start with the abdomen. So you take 2 pieces and we're going to smush them together to make each body section of the ant, okay? Which part will be the abdomen?
This part.
Okay, we use these 2 and we smush them together.
So we're gonna smush the pieces together between the.
Okay, you need to do both at the same time so they'll stick together. Yep. So do your thorax. You got the abdomen in the back, the thorax is in the middle. And now what do we got?
Head.
The
Do I
head.
roll them together?
No, you gotta push them together on here. No, not on his antenna. Scoot back just a little bit so he has his, yeah, there you go. Under the purple legs. Way around.
Make sure the clay goes all around if you're doing this experiment.
How many legs can your ant lift off the ground at one time without falling over? Your goal is to pose your model ant with as many legs off the ground as you can that will still allow it to stand up.
It's time to do our test.
All right, so Ellie's prediction was what? That the ant could stand up if it has 4 legs in the air or 4 legs down?
4 legs in the air. It's really hard to not look that clear.
Okay. So 1's up, still standing. 2's up. Oh, falling over that way. And you may have to do a little bit on each side even.
It's really hard to get the clay.
It's okay, the clay doesn't have to stay perfect.
Oh, it's gonna flip off.
Okay, so right now we have 2 legs on one side.
Let's see if I can do 2 on the other side.
What do you think? We've got the front 4 legs are up, ready to test it. Boom, fell down.
Now let's see if...
Okay, let's put them all back to starting position.
And see if we put 1 up, well, 2 on one side.
Okay, 2. Which 2 do you think? Should we do the 2 front or should we do the front and the back? Like that. What happens if you put all 3 up on the same side? Are you doing that? Okay, this time we're doing all 3 up. Okay. And what happened?
His bottom fell off.
He fell right off. Okay,
Mom,
so
I don't
let's...
think he should have clay on him.
Okay, let's test it again. Well, an ant does. An ant has its body parts. Remember, has your head, abdomen, and thorax? Okay, so now, what are you going to do this time?
Wrap it around.
No, you can't wrap around. These are just about lifting it up. That's the experiment.
And I'm gonna leave...
Which legs are you going to lift up?
The side and one bottom one.
Which one? Okay, the back leg and the front leg on one side. We already did that. We did all 3 of them there. What if we lift up this middle one on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's test that. Let's make sure legs are straight, and I think we can get it to stand up that way.
We can. I know we can.
He's standing up.
He's standing up.
Okay, so what is our conclusion? What did we see?
We saw that he standed up like this.
2 legs on one side, 1 leg on the other. So that's how an ant walks.
We are done with school now, so we might have a party. I will see you next on Ellie's Welcome Kindergarten. Bye.